Hey students, welcome to online classes, and in online we are teaching now practicals. Anyway, with me my students are here, and we shall learn today the experiment operational amplifier. Before the session, I would like to introduce about the trainer kit. Now we shall come to the trainer kit part. Okay, in the trainer kit you can see it has an options where we have a dual supply 12 volts minus 12 volts. So we have a supply, and then we have the RPS also here. You can see this is the input voltage. RPS is here, supply is here, and the ZIF socket. This is called a ZIF socket where we can mount the IC. This is the IC741, and this IC is analog IC, operational amplifier IC. This IC I need to mount in such a way, and then this is usually notch will be the reference. Remember, the notch will be the reference point, that is left side notch should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that. This is the pin number, and this one we are going to insert on the ZIF socket. It being mounted and lock the notch. Okay, then now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is the ZIF socket where we can connect the external connection. This is the option we have, and the 3 pins are there here. 1 2 3, these are dummy pins for the connection purpose. These 3 pins are here, and this is the RPS voltage, means 0 means negative potential, and then 1 2 3 4 volts means it's a positive potential. Like imagine it is an RPS because it's been integrated here itself. So 1 volt means what it is. 1 volt means this is plus terminal, this is minus terminal, 0 is the minus terminal. Okay, this is the RPS option we have. It is required for the experiment. Okay, then this is the ZIF socket, this is the biasing. Okay, what about this? This is the RF, means feedback resistor. Feedback resistor we have, and here we can see, we can set this one. It is multiples of 10 kilo, 0 10 20 30. If you want, you can use the feedback resistor here itself. Okay, this has an option. Okay, and this kit we can see the pin configuration also has given, because this kit is dedicated only for operational amplifier 741 IC. See, come to this part. So here we have the pin configuration, means pin number 1 2 3 4. Here we need to understand, see this pin. So pin number 2 is inverting terminal, pin number 3 is non-inverting terminal, pin number 6 is the output terminal. This is the input and output, and it definitely have a biasing. Biasing means what it is. So this is 7, and then this is 7 is the plus VCC, 4 is the minus VEE. Okay, then obviously 2 biasing pins are there, 2 inputs, 1 output. Then what about the pin number 1 5 8? See, pin number 1 and 5 are the offset null. We are not using, because operational amplifier we have to make it to 0. That is how it is possible, means by the way of the offset null it is used, and you can make the operational amplifier to be set it to be 0. Like before calculating, how do we press 0? No, first like that it is, because it performs the mathematical operations. Pin number 8, this pin is what it is. What is the function of this pin? This pin is literally, it is of no use. The reason, this IC can be manufactured either in SIP or DIP. What is SIP? Single inline package, means all the legs has to come only in the single line, or else dual inline package, means if it is 4 here, obviously symmetry there also has to be 4. In order to match that, 1 2 3 4, there are how many pins are required here? 2 input, 1 output, 2 biasing. Totally how much? So we have 2 plus 2 1 5 pins, and offset null it should be 1 and 5. 2 pins are required, but we are not using this offset null in this experiment, but this has to be it's required for other experiments. in the higher classes. Okay, then this is a 7 pin we are using. Then it is not possible to manufacture 7 pin on single line because it is economy will be more. Henceforth they have done a symmetry. So pin number 8 is there here. It is a dummy pin. There is no use literally. This pin is just, it is there, but it is of no use. Just in order to match the symmetry, the pin is present. Okay, then I am mounting on this socket. Okay, fine. This is mounted. Very clear. Now we understood about the trainer kit. This is the RF. What is the RF? We will see. See, you know, for example, I am connecting between the two. If I take two wires from here, okay, then I can connect. I can use this one as RF. Okay, fine. For example, let me check this whether it is 10K or not. Okay, this is multimeter. You know how to use this multimeter. Let me keep to the resistance. Okay, let me measure. For example, it is at 0. What is the resistance across these two? You know, these two has to be 0 only, because no. Fine. See, resistance is 0. If I keep to 10, what is the kilo ohm? How much should be the value here? It should be 10K. So 9.84. Definitely there is tolerance, no? Obviously. Yeah, very good. Then 20K means I can use dedicated 10K resistor. For example, you know, this is what is the value. We shall see color coding now. You might know about it. Okay, this is 10 kilo ohm. 10 kilo ohm. You can see that, students, brown, black, orange, and this is tolerance is gold. How much? 5% tolerance. Okay, then it is what is the value? 10K. Okay, that either I can connect or else I can use from here itself. We have two options. Okay, fine. Anyway, you know about this part. I can use or I need not use this one. It is up to left to us. Okay, fine. Then let me start the experiment. Okay. Please come to the observations now. Okay, come here. Yes. See, you know, I told you pin configuration. It should be in your mind. Then only you can perform the experiment. Clear. Now come to that aim. What is the aim? Aim is what we have to. This is what the theory. Once again, I'll come to this part. So operational amplifier, inverting, non-inverting. To construct the op-amp inverting and non-inverting amplifier, determine its DC voltage gain for the input, DC input, and compare the theoretical as well as practical value. Okay. Then we have a circuit here. This is a circuit diagram. So we have applied a voltage. It's the input voltage, DC voltage, and we have to verify the gains. How to verify the gains? Output voltage we are measuring. So what is the input voltage you applied? So if you take a ratio of output voltage to input voltage, it is said to be voltage gain. Is it clear? So I have taken 1 volt. It can be anything, but we for the purpose of calculation we have taken a 1 volt here, and we are measuring here. And either I have to change RI or RF, because for different gain you want, right? There is a possibility if you are changing every time the voltage, gain also output voltage will be different. But what do? We will keep this 1 volt as a constant voltage, and then we are changing either RF or RI. In theory you have learned what is the derivation of this one. Inverting amplifier means it is minus RF by RI. So that is the formula. Output voltage V0 is equal to what? Minus RF by RI into VI. Athwa AV is equal to what? Minus RF by RI is the correct now? Fine. Okay. Then we have to do the experiment by changing RI. 1K, 2.2K, 3.3, 10K. Let me tell you here itself. First 1K. 1K means what is the color coding? So brown, black and red. You can see this is a 1K. We have to connect. 2.2K. Could you tell me 2.2K? What is the color?
Red.
Very good. Red will come. Okay. Then come to the 3.3K. What is the color?
Orange, red.
Very good. That is 3.3K. Okay. Then could you tell me about the 4.7 kilo ohm?
Purple, red.
Yellow,
purple, red.
Yellow, violet, red ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. Yellow, violet, red will be the 4.7K. This one. Okay. Let me edit this. 10K if I do also I'll get an answer, but in our laboratory we have done 4.7K, that is 4.7K. Okay, or else I can do 10K also, the answer will be verified. Okay, fine. Then I will be taking these 4 resistor. What is the resistor here? RF value, see here you can see it is 10k. Okay, it is constant. Voltage is what? Constant. Vi is constant, RF is constant. What we are changing? We are changing Ri. Is it clear? Okay, then it is inverting. What about non-inverting? Same thing, we are changing the voltage source only. If I connect input voltage to the inverting terminal, it is said to be inverting amplifier. If I connect the input voltage to the non-inverting terminal, said to be non-inverting amplifier. Is it clear? So that's what. And resistor not to be changed, because this is actually a negative feedback arrangement. Resistors has to be same there itself. Only thing is you are changing the voltage source. Is it clear? Either maybe pin number 2 or pin number 3. Pin number 2 is what terminal it is? Inverting terminal. Pin number 3 is what terminal?
Non-inverting.
Okay. Then what is the inverting amplifier definition? If the voltage applied to the inverting input with respect to the non-inverting has to be grounded, then it is said to be inverting amplifier. Could you tell me about the inverting amplifier definition? If the voltage applied to where?
Non-inverting
Very good.
terminal. And,
Then
with respect to the inverting amplifier which is grounded.
Very good, very good. That's it. Voltage applied to the non-inverting terminal. With respect to that, inverting has to be grounded. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Then let me write the values here itself by measuring the voltage. Okay, now please come to the connection part. Okay, connection part. Fine. Now we have to, first of all, we need to bias, right? So what is pin number 7? What is pin number 7? Pin number, you
Plus
can see
VCC.
here. You can see here. What is the pin number 7?
Plus VCC.
Very good. Plus VCC. 12 volts, no? Yes, I can connect this one. 12 volts. What about pin number 4?
Minus V.
Very good. Pin number 4 is minus VEE. Okay, good. What about this? What is 0?
Ground.
Negative potential or ground potential, right? No, this is ground. Okay, this is ground. But where to connect this? It's already been connected. Internally, it's been shorted. You can see RPS on this one. But externally, let me connect 0 to 0. Okay, 0 to 0. This is actually, we have done the just biasing. Okay, we have made a biasing plus and minus. Okay, that's good. Now what to do? Okay, we shall start experiment. Ri, RF, and then 3. What we are supposed to do? Ground. Okay,
Ground.
very first thing. Okay, we have a dummy pins here, no? I told you. So here very first, let me connect the biasing. It's clear. And let me connect. We shall start from this point. 1 volt. This is 1 volt. Is it clear? Where it's supposed to go? Register Ri. What is the value of Ri? You will take first 1k. Very good. Okay, 1k. We shall take 1k. Yes, 1k here. Okay. Where it's supposed to go? Where it's supposed to go? Pin number 2. Is it clear? So let me connect. See, from here itself. 1 second. From here, yes. Can I connect? Okay. This one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I am connected to where it is? 1 volt. Very good. See, this is 1 volt, positive potential. I told you this is negative potential right now. So from 1 volt, I am connecting to a resistor. Through a wire, I am connecting a resistor. Resistor is here. Resistor, another terminal is going to where?
2.
Pin number
Pin
2.
number
It's clear now? Then what about pin number 3?
Grounded.
Very good. Pin number 3 has to be ground. Okay. Ground means I can connect here or there. Okay. This is ground. Clear. Is it clear? It's okay. I have connected this one. Right. Then what to connect? What to connect? RF we are supposed to connect. I told you RF we can use this one, or we can directly connect 10 kilo resistor. Between where and where it's supposed to come?
Pin number 2 and output.
Pin number 6. Very good. Right now, shall I use this one or this one? Tell me. I can use this here or I can use here. It is up to you. If you want to use here, you connect like this. Dummy pin is one more dummy pin is here. So pin number 2 to where it's supposed to come? Dummy pin. And from here to where it's supposed to go?
6.
Very good. Is it clear? This is also correct. Or you can directly take 2 wires from here and connect it. Right now? I'll not. Is it clear?
Yes.
This part is clear. Let me tell you that also. Okay. I'll not use external resistor 10k. What I do? I'll take 2 wires from pin number 2 and pin number 6. Is it clear? Where it's supposed to go? 10k. Where is 10k available here? Set here 10k. Can I connect here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Do we have polarity for resistor?
No, sir.
Very good. But I am sorry, in the kit we have given like a red and black. Okay, but actually it is not at all no polarity for resistor. Okay, fine. Is it now 10K?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have tuned to 10K. Is it clear? You can do either by connecting resistor or you can use in the kit only provision is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Why to worry? Okay, fine. Clear part. Now we shall make it. Yes, please make it on. Make it on. No, no. Here you make it on. Yes. Right. Okay. Fine. No. Ha. Okay. We shall enter the readings now. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. We will enter here. Okay. For 1K only we connected, right?
Yes, sir.
What is output voltage? Theoretically, first you calculate now. Theoretically, tell me what is VI?
1 volt.
What is RF?
10.
What is RI?
1.
So okay, let me tell you, let me write a calculation, theoretical calculation. Theoretical V naught theoretical is equal to, see, VI is how much? 1 volt, okay, into RF is how much? 10K divided by 1K. Is it clear? So what is the answer?
10.
What is the answer? -1, because in the
Minus
formula minus is there. So what is the voltage?
Minus 10, sir.
Minus,
10 by
I am
1.
sorry.
10 by 1 into 1.
10 into, I'm sorry. I am wrong, you are right, man. Thank you. Okay, 10 volts. Is it clear? If you measure from here, how much voltage is supposed to come?
10 minus.
Please measure, do the measurement.
600.
Very good. What is the voltage? 1 second. You are not keeping to that voltage, no? Wait. Yes. What is the voltage?
9.
Yes. How do you match theoretically? Always there is a gap between theory and as well as the practical, right? Now we are getting how much is the voltage? 9.07. You can say right 9 point, minus 9 point. Oh, leave it. See, I am getting here minus 9.06 is the practical it is. I am sorry. I should write here what is the value?
Minus 10.
No, theoretically no. So I should write it is minus 10. Practically how much we got?
9.06.
9.06. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it matching? Now it's a calculation only. What is the calculation? Minus RF by RI. How much?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. V naught by VI. What is the V naught we got?
9.06
By
by
1.
9.06.
Minus 9.06. That's the reason I am taking 1 volt.
Yes.
Right now, calculation made to be very easy. Right. Then second trial how to do?
2.2.
Yes. Could you please do it? Yes. Only you are removing the resistor 1K. Yes. Good. You have to off and you have to do. Oh yes. Please do it. Now you can measure between the pin number 6 and ground the output voltage. Then you will be getting what? You will be getting what? Make it on. You on? Yes. Tell me before that what value is supposed to come. Before that, tell me what value is supposed to come here. Calculation you should do, no? Same first trial you have done, right? No. Second trial. This is the first trial. Okay. Second trial. V naught TH2 TH1. Okay. Is equal to minus. No. 1 volt only. Voltage 1 volt only.
Minus 1 into 10
It is
by
10 divided by 2.2. Anyway, kilo will get cancel, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the answer? Tell me. Calculation you do using calculator. How much will be the answer? Tell me.
4.54.
Very good. How much it is?
4.54.
Theoretically 4.54 minus 4.1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರಿ ಈಗ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 and ground. Yes, ground, right. What is the value you are getting? Okay, right. Yes, 4.34, right. You are getting 4.3. Is it nearly matching?
Yes, sir.
Right now, what about this? Gain is how much? Same thing.
Minus 4.5.
For the calculation to made easy only, I have taken 1 volt. Or else I could have taken 1.5 or something else. No. Okay, then minus 4.34. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So how to do further trials? Same thing. Next, what I am supposed to do? 3.3K. 3.3K. Yes, it is a 4.7K. This is 3.3K. Make it off. Yes. Now you connect the 3.3K and write down the value. Yes. Like this we shall do. Theoretically, you please calculate pa. Tell me what is the answer of 3.3?
3.03.
Yes, it is theoretically how much? Minus
3.03.
3.03 volt. I'm sorry, volts. Here we can write anyway. Volt we have mentioned. Not necessary to write 1 second. Yes. Tell me what is the answer I'm supposed to get here? What is the answer I'm near to get? 3 volts.
3 volts.
3 volts. No, near to that. Yes, please. You see that here, pa. In the reading, what it is there? 2.92. Very good. 2.92. Is it clear? It's matching?
Yes.
So obviously here also it is minus 3.03 minus 2.9. Hope you understood. In same way I can go for last trial is this one. Okay, leave it, not necessary. Anyway, you understood how this works. Is it clear? This is about what? Inverting. Non-inverting is very simple. Same way. What we are supposed to do?
Change the input.
We have to connect.
Input from the
Where
inverting.
do we are telling me?
Non-inverting.
Where I am supposed to connect 1 volts? Pin number 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then what you will do? Resistor of pin number inverting terminal resistor. What you will do?
So,
Grounded. Is it clear? Yes. Please do a change. You only has to do a change. Now, pin number 3 is what it is? Is the input, right? No, connected to 1 volt. Is it clear? Now, where you will connect this one?
0.
Very good, man. Very good. 0. Yes. Over, no?
Yes, sir.
Non-inverting is over. Okay. Before that, you know what is the voltage gain for non-inverting amplifier? You can please see here. It is what? 1 plus RF by RI.
Yes, sir.
For inverting, what is the answer? Minus RF by RI. Minus RF by RI into VI. But for non-inverting is what it is?
Minus
1 plus RF by RI. Yes. Please come to the tabular column of the same. Yes. This is the tabular column. Let me do a same trial and what we are getting. Anyway, calculation is same.
Yes.
Plus 1 we are adding, no?
Yes, sir.
Simple. See, 1 plus RF by RI. What we have got for 1K?
Minus 10.
What has to come?
Ten.
Minus 11. 11 has to come. What?
No, 9. It's not minus 9.
I'm sorry?
It's not minus, it's plus 10 plus
9,
1.
nine.
I'm sorry, it is not minus, it is plus. Okay. 10 by 1 is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 into 1 is 1. Right. This one,
4.54 plus 1 is 5.5.
5.5. What about this one? 4 point.
4.03.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is theoretical. Let me go for practical now. Now, please measure. Let's see. Let me enter this reading and we can conclude the session. Yes. No, it's okay. It's correct, na? It's correct, na?
3.3.
3.3. Oh, 1K connect. Yes. Yes. No hurry. Yes, 1K you connect. And then we shall measure. How much voltage I am supposed to get? 11 volts is theoretical.
Yes, sir.
And I am supposed to get near to the 11 volt. Okay, 10 around it can come. Right. Okay, make it on. Yes, good. Yes, now measure it between 6 and ground. Yes. What is the voltage you see, ma?
10.9.
10.07.
Yes. 10.0. It can come. 1 volt difference can come. Please, next we shall go for the 2.2K. Yes, good. 2.2. What's supposed to come? Tell me first. Near to 5 volts.
Yes.
Yes, please. 5.50. Wow. Almost, no? Very good. Next, last trial. Obviously, we shall get around 4 volts.
Yes.
Because theoretically has come 4.03. Yes. So it is springboard. Just you press and you can insert it. Yes, good. Make it on. Yes, between
6 to
6 and
ground.
ground. Yes. What is the voltage?
4.
Wow, super, no?
Yes.
4.00. 4.03. Is it clear? First trial we are getting 1 volt difference. Why it is? Because operational amplifier the maximum voltage only 12 volts. We are going to the nearer to 12 volts. So practicality it will not exceed more than 11 point near 12 volts. It will not exceed. Henceforth we are getting a difference of 1 volt. Initially, later what exactly we have found? Practical, theoretical voltages are also matching, and theoretically gain, practical gain, both has to be same. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy experiment?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you have any questions? Voivapar, yes. Voivapar, what we can ask here, probably if you get this experiment in examination, immediate question is what? What is inverting amplifier? Yes, please.
So when the input is connected to the inverting and with respect to the non-inverting which is grounded, then it is called as inverting.
Very good answer. If the voltage applied to the inverting terminal with respect to that non-inverting has to be grounded, then it is said to be what kind of amplifier? What is the phase reversal of this one? Your DC you are using. So if AC you might have used means 0 means 180 will be coming. But DC what is coming? Plus means what you are getting?
Minus.
Very good. Why we are getting here minus?
Phase reversal.
Yes. What is the phase reversal of inverting amplifier? 180 degree if you use AC. Are you using AC?
No, sir.
You are using what? DC. How do you say DC inverted? Minus, no?
Minus.
Plus 2 voltage, what is the voltage has come?
Minus.
Minus. Is it clear? Then non-inverting, obviously, what is non-inverting amplifier? You please answer me.
When voltage is
Applied?
to non-inverting terminal
Very
and
good.
with respect to ground.
With respect to that, inverting has to be grounded. Then it is said to be what kind of amplifier?
Non-inverting.
Very good, that's it. What is the phase reversal of this here?
0.
Very good, because
Plus.
it is non-inverting, it is not inverting, it is non-inverting. What is the formula? 1 plus?
1 plus
R
R
by
by
R.
R.
Like this we are asking question. Apart from that, what it is? What is the essential of pin? Okay, what is the function of pin number 8? Tell me.
No connections.
Why no connection?
Because
Yes,
it is the op amp is made in a single
dual inline package, na?
dual
So, to match symmetry.
massive symmetry. 8 is
Do we have any function of pin number 8?
no.
Literally? No. Still the pin is there, right? Clear, fine. Then we may ask you, what are the ideal characteristics of op amp? Is it clear? Like voltage gain is infinity,
Yes, sir.
current gain is infinity, input impedance is infinity.
Output impedance is 0.
Very good. Like that. Okay, what is the bandwidth and all those things will ask this question. Anyway, theory questions only we are asking you. Related to the experiment we are asking. What is the SI unit of gain?
None.
No, you don't know. Like that, we are asking some simple questions based on the experiment. Okay. Thank you, students.